So what is up, Toshi fam? We are back with another video, and today we're gonna give you guys another daily update of what Toshi has been doing in the market right now. Again, as you might have seen, the markets are crashing recently. Bitcoin's below 65,000. Most of the coins are crashing right now, and so is Toshi, right? It makes sense that it's just following the market right now, because again, it can't be the only coin just outperforming the market. While it does do that sometimes, but most of the time you have to follow what the market is doing, and you just can't be on your own. So based on the rest of the market, Toshi is just following that. But again, it's not falling behind. It's actually fallen less than most Bitcoins have, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that stuff, right? So we're going to be taking a look at that. Before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over to our screen right now looking at Toshi, and Toshi is down 10.3% in the past week. So if we look at the rest of the market right now, even the global market cap today is down 3.31%. If we look at Toshi, it's only down 1% within the just past 24 hours, right? 1.1%, whereas the total market cap is down 3.3, Bitcoin's down 3.7, Ethereum's down 4.1, right? We see most of these bigger coins are down huge numbers, right? Most Bitcoin Cash down 13%, Solana down 5.5%, right? So it's just getting worse and worse. And Solana is down 9.5% in the past week. So again, not the best numbers we like to see in the crypto market. And even if we look at Toshi, it's also down around 10%, right? Makes sense. It's not the craziest deal in the world. The market are just having a little shakeout, right? They're just doing their thing. If they go up, they obviously have to come back down. We are still in the extreme fear right now, 11, but again, we have come down. As we look at previously, we could see it was down all the way to 5 on the fear and greed index on February, what was it, 5th, February 5th. It was down all the way to 5 in the fear and greed index, which was absolutely crazy. Again, it hasn't gone that low within the past 3-4 years, right? So we're kind of getting really low within the past year. We were down to our lowest point was probably like 15, right? In the overall, this was the lowest we have gone. So if we look at Toshi, right, it's also down. Our market cap still pretty good, 84.85 million. Volume to market cap ratio, it's still pretty good, 13%, right? Volume of 11.4 million, also up 20% the past 24 hours. And if we just head over to the X of Toshi, we could also see that it was recently featured on Introduction to Blockchain, which we talked about in the previous video, and why this is so huge. Alchemy featured Toshi on an educational course introducing high school and up to Web3, DeFi, and the future of internet, which was really good. Again, you could go ahead and check that out for yourself, so you could start that course. Again, beginner skill level, it'll teach you about crypto. So again, really nice collaborations Toshi is doing, right? We could see Toshi keeps up with the memes, right? Regular photos being posted, keeping the community alive and interactive. If we look at the community sentiment, we could see 86% still bullish. We could see it's pump time. People are saying it's time for Toshi to pump. Lightning strikes blue. We see good morning Toshi. I'm bullish on Toshi. Right, Toshi holders are the type to rather be optimistic and wrong than pessimistic and right. Toshi holders are legends in the making. Good, right? So we see even a Toshi spot signal on exchange on Mexi, right? I'm bullish on Toshi. Are you bullish on Toshi? And let's look at the comments. We could see yes, portfolio. We could see super bullish very much. So we see that people are still looking at Toshi with a positive eye, right? People still have hope about Toshi that it could go back up even in these rough times, right? These are the best times you could use to get into Toshi at really good prices. Again, if the price is dipping, that's ideally where you want to be, get into the coin. You don't want to get into the coin when it's maxed out, when it's going really crazy, right? You want to get into the lows and get out at the highs. So this is the lows. Use this time to actually study the coin and get into the coin itself as well. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did take another look at Toshi, what Toshi has been doing recently. Again, nothing crazy, just following the market right now, but this is a calm before the storm, and Toshi obviously has something planned for us in the upcoming future. So do make sure to stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Toshi and what your next price target for Toshi is, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.